Let me show you how to use the bonus funnel creator in Lead Creator AI, my favorite lead magnet tool, and how to set up an entire bonus funnel in as little as 5 minutes. You have to give a title to your bridge or review page. For example, just call this product XYZ. You put in the name of the product you're promoting. And here you have at least one bonus page for the purpose of creating the bonus delivery. If I just go and grab an example bonus where bonus 1 is titled Free Video Star System and bonus 2 is the 20 plug and play how to video scripts, these are our two bonuses I want to offer up when I promote product XYZ. Now click on Create. What will then happen is that all 3 pages are automatically created with a default template to get you started with your bridge page. From here, the first thing you do is you have to learn how to navigate. On the left-hand side, you can see the navigation, in addition to the bridge page where bonus 1 sits. Then bonus 2. And you can flip between these by clicking on the bonus pages and it will brings up other pages. The first in the order is the bridge page, which is the same as a review page. This is where you put your product review. Give it a headline and any description you have of the product you're promoting. This represents a baseline template. You can edit and change it to your liking. It gives you an indication of what you should have on the page. Once done, click Publish and you will be able to view the page. This is the page you would share with your audience, and this is the review page or bridge page. In addition, you can go and customize this URL to your heart's content. First, you go to update the headline. You add in all the information you need about the product you're promoting, where you can go ahead and add in your video review and your affiliate link. Here on the left is the expiring URL with possible further information as to when the launch will finish. You should determine when the bonus page finishes. You should also know when you want the bridge or review page removed by applying the settings. You would add in your custom domain name with your own slug here. Add a sharing description, sharing image, and so on. Place the public title here. That is the name of the page inside the browser of the person who is watching. This is the spot where you can edit everything to highlight and do all things in that location. So what about this bonus thing here? What's this slow element here? This element is where the information about your bonuses will dynamically populate with the number of bonuses claimed, what the bonuses are, and so on. If I go in bonus 1, then go into the options here on the left-hand side. Here you can see bonus delivery. I'm going to go down here and see the preview of what changes. Basically, how many bonuses do you have if you have unlimited bonuses? Typically, if you're promoting a launch, the front-end offer has unlimited bonuses, in which case you can tick here to enable the selection. Tick that, and that means this here has unlimited bonuses. I'll cover these other options here in the next bonus. So for now, I'll go into the copy-paste over information to apply the name. I'll copy over a short description, then populate an information about what they should buy. Then attach a value of the bonus. Then choose between different sort of icons. For example, if your bonus is a set of video lessons, that can be that click on save. Now go back to the bridge page to see and refresh this page to update dynamically. If anybody goes to claim this bonus, then it'll appear saying 1 person has claimed this bonus, 2 people have claimed this bonus, 10 people have claimed this bonus, and so on. Now, of course, if it's unlimited, it doesn't really matter because they can just see that it's selling. But if this is limited 10 or 20, this automatically updates live so that they don't have to refresh the page. And that means for you as a creator or an affiliate, it gives you a lot of power to incentivize people to act quickly. Let me show you another example here. Now, first of all, before I do that, if you navigate back here again to the content page on the bonus page, this page is where you put your bonus. So whatever your bonus is, whether it's a downloadable PDF or a video series or a checklist or whatever, you have whatever you're giving away as your bonus. This is the page you add inside your bonus delivery of ThriveCart or JVZoo or ClickBank or whatever system you're using. This is the link here. Publish. Go to view. This is the link you should put inside the bonus delivery, and they have to come here and they have to collect the bonus. So by now, as an example, go here and simply put in my email here. Now, if I actually go and minimize this, as you can see it happening live. So now have a look here. You can see this updating lives here. I'm now going to claim my bonus. This link here is the link that I put inside. The bonus delivery option inside of ThriveCart, inside of Zoo or wherever. When I go and claim this bonus, i.e. I have clicked your affiliate link. I've gone to the sales page. I've bought, whatever I paid for. When I go and click claim this, poof. See here, 1 person has claimed this bonus so far. And if this had a limitation, that would then count down. You can come to this bonus page. You can, of course, go and update the change of domain name and so on. Here, integrations in your email provider. So you can collect the buyer lead and all that good stuff. And yes, that's where you control that. And here you actually add in the content. Now, if I go to bonus 2 and add in this one here. So if I say here again, If I go to bonus delivery, if I go and set a maximum here of only allow 1 or 2 people, 2 people ever can have this. And then I'm going to put overspill. Now, overspill means that you can have unofficially more bonuses available than what's on the page. So if I put this as 2, then a total of 4 bonuses is available, but only 2 will show on the actual bridge page, and I'll explain to you what this means in a second. If I now go and simply pop in bonus 2, and add in a short description where I'll say to unlock this bonus, you have to buy Oto 2. And I'll say this one here is very valuable. I'll say this, bonus is worth $197. In addition, you can add one-to-one coaching or something, or again, I can see an ebook or a valuable course relevant to the main offer. Click on save. And while they're here, go back to the bridge page and refresh this here, because if you add a new bonus, you have to refresh. If it's updated, it doesn't. So you can see now there are only 2 bonuses. Now, if you go back to the content editor for the bonus 2 page, you can go to publish again on this page, where you would then go and add in whatever bonuses you were delivering. Whatever is special. Don't forget this. This page is separate from the bonus one. So this will only be delivered to people who bought the OTO or whatever criteria you set for them. Now, if I can copy this link here, and if I head into including the mode like so, and I pop this in here and I pretend I'm going to collect this bonus. Just pretend that for a second. So imagine if I am somebody who has watched this review, they most likely would be inclined to really want bonus 2. Sweet. And they go and buy via your link, and they go to the bridge page like so. And they go here and they say, yes, I want this bonus for sure. Here, and I say, yes, I want this bonus. Now again, look at this number here. What happens here when I click on claim, instantly, there will be a notification that 1 bonus is left. This updates live. That means for anyone watching here, as they're going, what's this? And they're going to go, wait, it's going down 2-1. It's going down. People are buying and collecting it sometime. And now, of course, here, this is where the overspill becomes very important. If I go back here again now to bonus 2, go here to bonus delivery, hear this overspill. Here's what this means. With the overspill active, so here's the bridge page. With the overspill active on this page, here's what's happening now. Let me just quickly kind of minimize this here. So on this page now, imagine if there are 50 people on this page now looking at this page and they're all going, oh my God, only 1 bonus left. I need to buy this quick. There's one problem. That is the fact that by the time they click on here, they click on buy, they go via your affiliate link, and they go and buy whatever they're going to buy. It could be half an hour. It could be an hour. It could be 5 hours. It could be 4 days before they actually go to collect the bonus. And that means, of course, this bonus is long gone because there are 5, 10, 15 people actually watching here now. So that is what the overspill is for. Much like, if you buy something from Amazon or if you buy something from some sort of e-commerce store, they typically have some reserve stock. So even though on the page it might say they're sold out, they typically have some in reserve to cover refunds, to cover any, damaged goods, and to cover any sort of, having to resend the same product again. So think of the overspill in the same way, where what we don't want to have, we don't want 5 people to see this bonus and go, yes, I want this, click on buy. They think they've claimed it because they bought, because they have. But by the time they actually get around to click the bonus, it's gone. It means that when they go to the bonus collection page, it says, sorry, all the bonuses are gone. That's not fair. So that is what the purpose of the overspill. It means that now there are 2 available officially, and there are 2 reserve, meaning there are 4 in total. But to keep it open and honest and transparent, what we've done is when these 2 bonuses are collected, then on the bridge page, this will say it's sold out. But on the background, if there were 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 people who bought it at the exact time, there is an overspill to accommodate those. So when they go and click the bonus, they still get the bonus. So that means that it's open, honest, and fair. It means that anyone who sees it on the actual front page here, they will see, oh, it's sold out. But the ones who did buy when it was still available, they still get the bonus. Just so you know that, and we have set a limit here to stop any sort of abusers, because I know, that there's a lot of shady characters on certain platforms. That means that here they cannot put more than 50 to stop anyone saying, oh, we only have 2 bonuses. But, actually, really, we have 50 here. We wanted it to keep it real so that people don't abuse the system. We'll probably actually put a lot more stricter criteria there as well to stop anyone really taking advantage of that feature. And then, of course, this function allows you to hide the display. If I go ahead and opt into this bonus, let me show you what happens. So, again, let's say for argument's sake, if I am somebody who's seeing this here, I'm thinking, yes, I want this bonus. Amazing. And if I now go buy via your affiliate link, Then get to the bonus delivery and I go and collect the bonus. Look at this here now if you follow along here. You can see I'm just going to put in my email here. When I then click on collect here, you can see this goes grayed out. Boom, it's gone. Despite the fact that there are still 2 left because I have the overspill. But you can see here it gets grayed out. But here, of course, you have the option to hide the counter. That means that when that happens, this is actually just removed completely. There's no graying out there. And that means for you, it gives you a bit more flexibility to change things up on your side should you choose to. And that's how all this works. And then if you want to add any bonus, click and add on another bonus page. Give us a name like so, click on submit. And then of course that you then have to go and actually make sure you go into the bonus page. Go to bonus delivery and set those options up to whatever you want to have. So that's simple enough. And of course what we can do is to see now if I refresh a page, that bonus will appear. So you can see it's there. Obviously that doesn't look very good. So what we can do is actually take this and remove that, have it as an active first while you set things up, and so that you can actually get that sorted out. And that is exactly how you use the bonus creation feature to instantly skyrocket the value of any digital product offer you put into the market. But look, the bonus creator is really just one gear in a much larger machine. If you want to automate your entire lead generation, build high-converting funnels, and truly take control of your digital assets, you need the full power of the Lead Creator platform. Click the link in the description right now to get full access to Lead Creator. Stop overcomplicating your tech stack and start using the same tools the pros use to scale. Tap that link, grab your access, and I'll see you on the inside.